Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Hellenic bank account with a computer. If you'd like to get access to your online banking account for Hellenic Bank, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another future updates from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in web.hellenicbank.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Hellenic Bank, which looks like this. If you're not enrolled into online banking yet, you can click on the Register Now button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to register yourself to a new account. If you already have an account, click on the Login button at the top right-hand corner, which will bring up an expanded menu. Select your account type from the tab displayed and type in your credentials. Type in your username first. If you'd like the system to remember your username, you can enable this button right where it says Remember Me. But if you are using a public device or a shared computer, leave this box unchecked. After you are done, head over to the password field and type in your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. In case you've forgotten your password, you can click on this Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password. Finally, after you're done entering your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click on the Continue button, and that is it. With this, you'll be able to log into your Hellenic online banking account with your computer quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.